Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way on how to remove that adhesive from a sticker or decal you just removed off of your car. Stay tuned. Alright, so before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with the latest and greatest. But here is, you have a classic example. So what I did here is I removed the sticker of the dealership I bought it from, but it leaves this little residue behind. I do use this to remove most of my adhesive sticker remnants that is left behind. I do have a link to this to Amazon in the description below if you are interested in purchasing something like this, but this will easily remove stuff like that without damaging the paint. The only other thing you're going to need other than your adhesive remover would be some type of try to get something that is lint free, a cloth that is lint free. So right here what you're going to do is you're going to spray where the adhesive is. We're going to let it sit for about a minute. Alright, so it's been about a minute. Now all we have to do is try to wipe this off. Alright, so as you can see, you still have a little bit of that adhesive on there. We're gonna go ahead and remove that. Just kind of buff it out. That's why it's important to use a non-abrasive lint-free cloth, so that, because you're gonna have to put a little bit of elbow grease on it to remove that final step of the adhesive. There you go. It's as good as new. All right, so this is a product I use. Hold on, let me focus this. So this is a product I used to remove this adhesive. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. But once again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.